Hi, this is Gail. Welcome to my channel. Today I thought that I would share with you some things that I've received on a swap. The first item is a cute little apron with a recipe and some painty papers. This was in a one-on-one swap with a lady by the name of Janice, I want to say Glines, I hope that's correct. And I met her through Janet Nash's stream on Mondays at 9 a.m. And so within the stream, it was suggested that perhaps we should each make an apron, put a recipe in, and share some painty papers. And so I thought that was a great idea. I got matched up with Janice, and voila. Now, this is an adorable little apron. She was very smart because her apron actually fit inside of a legal-sized envelope. Yeah, mine did not, and I've already sent it off, so I can't show you. But mine was probably double the width, and so I ended up having to send it in an envelope closer to this size. So, things to keep in mind. There was no template, so I just made it the size I thought it should be. At any rate, adorable butterflies, wonderful little eyelet trim there, cutesy pink and sort of lavenderish. The recipe looks really yummy. Chocolate truffles. And certainly seems easy enough for even me to make. I do cook and I do bake. I don't think I'm an excellent cook. And when I asked my daughter what recipe I should send, she laughed. Do you believe that? She laughed. That implies that I probably shouldn't send anything, which I don't think is true. But anyhow, yeah, my kids don't really remember how much I used to cook because when I went back to work, then my husband became a house husband and he did all the cooking. And so I only cooked on the major holidays. So yeah, kind of interesting. And now that I'm retired, I do enjoy cooking more. But I'm a pretty basic, meat and potatoes type of cook. Nothing super fancy. So anyhow, back to the apron. So this is an adorable little apron. And she sent a lovely note. And as it turns out, she lives in Manassas, Virginia, and I grew up in Alexandria, Virginia. So I am familiar with the area that she lives in. And I love that area. Anxious to go back and visit again, hopefully when the virus settles down. So she sent me some beautiful lavender lace because we exchanged our favorite colors. And I love these butterflies. They're little sequiny butterflies. They're purple and pink and aqua or turquoise. Just love them. And she was concerned about her painty papers. To me, her painty papers are like finished. Mine are really just painty papers that I sent to her. A cup of tea warms the soul like a good friend. Oh, so true. Botanical tea. Really love the stencil. And I love that shimmery silver color on top of the lavender. So I don't know if you're getting a glare or not from that. So this is acrylic metallic silver. Okay, jelly roll. And then she sent me this too because she said she really didn't have much in my favorite color, which is lavender, and this is gorgeousness. So, and this was painted with acrylics. Oh. Then printed with a laser printer. Oh, wow, that's really awesome. So that is gorgeousness. So thank you, Janice. That is just wonderful. I truly do appreciate it. I'm afraid my exchange will pale against yours. Okay, the next thing. I was also involved in a swap through Kathy Berg and Colleen, the scrap chick. They stream on Tuesdays and Fridays at 10. And I'll put their information in the description box below, as well as Janet's. Anyhow, we did a tag exchange. So these are the tags that I received in the swap or exchange, which I sent, if you recall, I think I showed you. Here we go. I sent tags like these, okay? They all had some little person on it and flowers, the black and white background, etc. I named each one of them. So yeah, I sent tags like this, and so these were the ones that I got back. And everybody did something a little different. The only requirement was that they be black and white with a pop of color. So, isn't this cool? You can tell this was stenciled, probably using a jelly plate. And this is from Kathy, appreciating us being involved in the swap. This is lovely fabric. I don't know if this was a transfer or printed from some sort of a plate, or if it's just fabric that came printed like that already, but how cool, so very usable. And I'm not sure if I recalled, this might be from Janet Nash. She was in this swap as well, but I'm not positive. I don't remember right now. Okay, check this lovely out. Beautiful. Love the layering here. Oh, look, it spins. I love these little slide things. Be the right spot in someone's life. Indeed. Love the black and white, and yes, a pop of color. And this is Carol Boudreau, known as CB. Very cool. And this one, I don't know if you can see the shimmer here as part of the butterfly and the butterflies trail in the air. And then they also sent this beautiful metallic, looks like embroidery floss. So how cool is that? And oh, I do need to tell you who it is. So I will take it out of the plastic. Put that down. A lovely little story was attached. This is Happy Diane. Very cool. And look at her little girl on the back. You are stronger than you think, and you are not alone. So very cool. And look at that lovely little flower at the top, and the bling, which is a paper clip, which is very cool. So that's removable and reusable. So very clever, Diane. Okay, and look at this one. This one is Janet Nash. Look at how cool is that? The greens, the frog. So funny. And check it out. It's a belly band on the back. Really love that. And it says, caring is sharing. Oh yes, and Janet is all about positivity and positive quotes. Okay. And then she sent some ephemera. Oh yes, look at that. The Bramber Museum. Very cool. Okay. So isn't that lovely? Yes, Janet is in the UK. She has a really fun stream, so be sure and go and check her out. Oh, look at this one. Nice, beautiful pop of yellow, the butterflies. Oh yeah, the very cool. Today would be a lovely day to be a butterfly. Indeed it would be. And treasure. Love the texture and the color. This is Cheryl Johnson. Focus on the good. Very cool. Okay, and this one, Light the Way. This has a lot of layering too. This is some washi, like the feel of that. Oh, and look, how cool is this? This is really neat ledger. And this one is from Kathy Berg. Very neat. Love it. And check this one out. Love those blingy butterfly and dragonfly. Love it. Love the tassel. And this is Josie Jimenez. Card Chick 50. Woohoo, love that. And here again, look at that bling, very cool. And this also is texturized. Feels like this was done on, it's painted acrylic. Piece of cloth. Yeah, some bling down here. It's very cool. And this is Riri. So cool. And then here we have this one. Look at the tags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the one that it's on. So 7 all total. That's a really cool idea. And this is Teresa Peterman. Very clever, Teresa. Check that out. And here we have this one, Precious. Aww. So cool. Oh, the little bird. Didn't see the little bird the first time I looked at this. Little flip there. Very cool. Love that pink lace. Just because something doesn't do what you planned it to do doesn't mean it's useless. Thomas Edison. So true. Oh, and these were either glossed or glossy accented or something because they're raised and shiny. Very cool. I love the texture. Very neat indeed. This one, these boots are made for walking. Are you ready, boots? Start walking. Oh, yes. Who doesn't remember that song if you're my age? Okay. And I don't recognize who this is from. Is that J-U-T? J-U-J? Oh, I feel badly. I don't know who this is made by. But it's lovely, that's for sure. Very cool. Mixed Media Magazine. Love it. And here's another. Ooh, check out that splash of color. Lots of texture. They're raised, and this is all layered. Very cool. And this is Melissa Long. Hello, friend. I love that. So cool. Yeah, this one is so funny. Sorry, not sorry. Love the use of the corrugated cardboard here. And oh, I love that splash of the gold shimmer. So cool. And this is by Colleen. Okay. Made with Love by Jennifer. I can't read that. Is that Gator? Dater? Okay. So, cute little tag. Love that. And you flip it over. You can write on it. It's got the notes, the little cluster. Very cute. Here's some ephemera. Transportation, Walt Disney World, Butterick Publishing Company. Love these. This is pretty cool too. So thank you very much, Jennifer. Very cool. And like herding cats? Well, apparently I do, because 6 strays have adopted me in the last month, trying to be able to get close enough to them to be able to help them become a little friendly so I can capture them and try to find them homes. So yeah, I do like herding cats apparently. And this is Jean Spalding of Homeschool Mom. So cute. Love that little glittery, the 3D, the layering. Very cute indeed. So those are my tags from the tag swap. And this is some of the tie-dyed alcohol ink deli paper that Lori of Grammy's Keepsakes and I made on our stream. Well, we showed it to you on the stream. We made it prior to the stream because it was quite messy. Lots of gloves, and alcohol ink does stain if you're not cautious. So anyhow, I will put the link below for that stream. We've streamed 3 or 4 times, and usually there's some form of paper involved and some creation. But I thought this turned out beautifully. I think I failed tie-dye 101 back in the 70s because the tie-dyeing part just did not work for me, but we just sort of played with it until we got something we liked. And this is probably going to become some leaves. I just got the Tim Holtz leaf dye in the mail, and I am going to make some leaves out of it because I think it's just gorgeous. So anyhow, just wanted to share those things with you. I do have a new video coming up pretty soon showing you what I've been doing with the DD Farrago 3 and 15 Don't Freak Out Before Christmas challenge and where I'm at with that. So be looking for that. And by the way, I hope you are all doing well. I hope that you're going to be inspired to get out there and create something. Go make something. Have some fun. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.